Before resetting your Goodman air conditioner, it's important to know when a reset will actually help. A reset is useful for minor issues like a temporary shutdown after a power surge or a small system glitch. It will not fix serious problems such as refrigerant leaks, compressor failure, or major electrical damage. Start by checking three basics. Make sure the circuit breaker hasn't tripped, confirm the thermostat is set correctly and calling for cooling, and ensure the air filter is clean and not blocking airflow. Some Goodman units include a small red reset button on the outdoor condenser, usually located near the refrigerant lines or inside the access panel. If your model has one, press it firmly after confirming power is off, then restore power and test the system. However, many models do not include a reset button, so the most reliable method is a manual reset at the breaker panel. Locate the AC breaker, switch it fully to the off position, wait at least 30 seconds to allow the system to discharge, then switch it back on. This reboots the control board and internal components. If the system still doesn't run properly after a reset, it's time to contact a licensed HVAC technician rather than repeatedly cycling power.